Hi all, so welcome back to Unicorn Unix. So we're gonna make a DIY keychain. The painting procedure will be in the next video. Until that, let's go with the trailer, then everything. The painting will make amazing DIY keychains. Take hot glue and take a cardboard and add some powder and make a circular motion like first, and then go with hot glue, make a circle and let it dry for 5 to 10 minutes. After it, take out from the cardboard and then you're done. After it's dry, smooth it well and make a hole at the middle at the edge, and don't forget to hang with a keychain hanger from the old ones, or from take it from somewhere a stationery shop. So guys, as I said at the front, I am not able to post the video, like the painting video. We will post it in the next week. Don't worry, until that you can, what should you do? You can just do, like, you can just add some tweets, happy anniversary, happy birthday, or emojis onto the circle. So yeah, I hope you guys like it. Subscribe and activate the bell icon so that you'll get the notification when we post newly posted videos, and smash that like button and share with your friends. So more unique vlogs, blogs, drawing, creative DIY items, unique things from our channel Unicorn Unix. So like, share, subscribe, activate the bell icon. Until the next week, bye bye.